Most Americans think they know how credit cards work. They swipe, they pay the minimum, they earn rewards, and they believe they're winning. But in 2026, that mindset is costing people thousands of dollars every single year. Let me show you the 5 credit cards Americans are using completely wrong and why banks love it when you do this. The first mistake is using rewards cards like free money. Cashback and points look exciting, but the moment you carry a balance, those rewards become meaningless. Paying 24% interest to earn 2% cashback isn't smart. It's exactly how banks expect you to think. The second mistake is maxing out high-limit cards to build credit. A $30,000 limit feels powerful, but using most of it hurts your credit score. In 2026, credit scoring models care more about how little of your limit you use, not how big your limit is. High utilization silently kills approvals. The third mistake is keeping old cards active without reviewing the terms. Many cards people opened years ago now come with higher fees, weaker benefits, and outdated protections. Banks quietly downgrade value over time, assuming customers won't notice, and most don't. The fourth mistake is paying interest just to protect cash. People tell themselves they'll pay later because they want to keep money in savings or investments. But credit card interest grows faster than almost any safe return. In 2026, carrying balances is one of the fastest ways to fall behind financially. The fifth and most dangerous mistake is loyalty to one bank. Americans stick to a single issuer for years, thinking it builds trust. In reality, banks reward new customers, not loyal ones. Better offers, lower rates, and hidden perks often go to people willing to switch. Here's the truth most people never hear. Credit cards aren't tools for convenience. They're tools of behavior. Use them emotionally, and banks win. Use them strategically, and you control the system. In 2026, the smartest card users don't chase rewards. They avoid interest, protect their credit profile, and treat every swipe like a business decision. If you're still using credit cards the way most Americans do, you're not building wealth. You're funding the bank's profits. And the banks are counting on you never questioning it. Because the system isn't broken, it's working exactly as designed. Every minimum payment, every carried balance, every unused benefit quietly transfers money from your pocket to theirs. The real advantage doesn't come from having more cards. It comes from knowing when to use them, when to ignore them, and when to walk away completely. People who win with credit don't feel rich. They think disciplined. They never swipe without a reason. They never carry debt for comfort. And they never assume a bank is on their side. If this video changed the way you look at your credit cards, that's your sign you've been playing the wrong game. The rules didn't change in 2026. The awareness did. And once you see how the system really works, you can't unsee it. Follow for more real finance, not bank marketing.